Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of How to Sell on Amazon. As you all know that we should know what we are selling and how that product that we are trying to sell is ranking on Amazon and how much is it selling, because without doing the proper research, if we just list the product, it won't sell. 1995% it will just sit in the listings and won't sell properly. So in order to do that, there is a whole kind of a, you can say, a chapter or a field that we dig into and try to find out what's the best product to sell and what's its listing and how it's selling. So there are different tools regarding that, and you can use any of those tools by paying a monthly fee for that, or there is one tool which is called Helium. So that's also, there's a monthly fee for that, but you can also add an extension of it to your Google Chrome browser, and then what happens is that it just tells you the bestseller rankings and what's the, like the past sales of that and everything like that, so you can get an idea of like how that product is selling and if you want to list that product in your Amazon Seller Central. So basically, this whole idea or this whole research of what to sell, what's the best product to sell, this is called product hunting. It's basically one of the biggest uh, target to achieve, because if you don't know what to sell, then what will you sell, right? So let's dig in. I will show you a little bit of how to install the extension of Helium 10. It's completely free. The monthly fee is for a whole lot of other features, but this extension, it's completely free. What you do is you just install it in your Google Chrome browser, and whenever you go on to Amazon.ca or Amazon.com, whatever the products are there, it will show you the bestseller rankings and a little bit history and sales of that product. So let's just jump in and I will show you a little bit about that. So this is how the Helium 10 website looks like. Again, you don't need to get the monthly subscription to just to know that what's the bestseller ranking and the history of sales of that product. There are a whole lot of other features which you can get by paying the monthly fee, and that's really really helpful. But if you don't want to pay and you just want to get a little bit use of Helium 10 Google Chrome extension, it will really help you through in determining just the start of product hunting a little bit. I also do that. I have installed Helium 10 Google extension, and I just make a use of that, and through other sources also. I try to find out what's the best product to sell, and then I list that product, and then usually I get the orders from time to time for that product. So this is the website, and this is how. So you can basically sign in free, like there's a monthly fee, but then you can definitely create a profile and you can sign in, log in. So I haven't paid anything to Helium right now, so this is what I'm getting without paying. So this is another, like, you can take a look, another look on this, and see how it has a lot of tools. Most of them, I think maybe you'll be able to use a little bit, and then it will just ask you to sign up for the membership. Most probably that's the case. I haven't gone through all these tools because, like, I don't need them right now. So this is how the, like, the profile or the login, when once you log into the Helium 10 on the website, it looks like this. And then initially what happens, it will give you, like I said, that it will give you some time to explore around and research or search through a couple of different tools and products through this whole like system and whatever the software it is. But like the one that I'm talking about is you just open up google.com and then search Helium 10 extension Chrome. I've already installed it, so you might see that it's not showing up to add an extension but to remove it. So but what you'll do is you will search it here, Helium 10 extension Chrome, and then you will just click on Helium 10. So you see it in here, uh, Google, chrome.google.com. So you have to go in this one. So there are other searches also. So you don't want to go into that. So you will just see this Google, chrome.google.com, and you click on this. So it will just like show in here to add the extension. You might need to log into Gmail account. I'm not 100% sure about that, but if it asks you, then you can sign in and then you can just add the extension. So instead of remove from Chrome, it will show add the extension. So you can add the extension. And this is a little bit of a description on that, a little bit of a video. You can watch the video over here. And then what happens is in your list of extensions, it will show that Helium 10 is also in there and it's turned on. So now let's say if you go on to Amazon, and by the way, another way to check the products in trending is to just write any letter, and these are the products so I will just search wireless earbuds. Now because I have installed Helium 10 extension, so that's why it's taking a little bit time. So it will then show what each and every product on this page has the bestseller rankings and uh, different details on that. So you see this is Helium 10. So this box whole is what Helium 10 is showing. So this is the ASIN number which you can use to submit the Me Too listing, or like you say that you also have that product, so you can just use that ASIN number and then either search that product, or you can try other different ways also. But to get the ASIN, Helium 10 just gives you over here. And then this is number 6 in rankings, so it's pretty good in stereo headphones. So like I said, that you have to kind of find out what's your niche is. So in this niche, stereo headphones, this is number 6, which is pretty good. Variations is just 1, so this is only 1. There are no other categories in this product from this seller, and there are 6 sellers, which is also pretty good. You can also, if you're able to, you can also add your product in this listing. Fulfillment is by FBA, so fulfillment by Amazon. So let's go into this product in detail. So what it will help you in determining if this is the right product, it will show you the listing health score, which is 10 out of 10, which is really awesome. And then once you scroll down, this is the price history, so you can navigate through that. So it will show you from time to time how it went through. This is all Helium. So track product, Amazon, and then new, used, track for 1 year, so you can track it for 10 years, which is really awesome. Data is, you'll have to sign in for this, so just neglect that. So variations are like, there are other products also in the variations. So not from this seller maybe, but from other sellers there are some variations. Oh, actually it has 2. Okay, so yeah, so this product has 2 variations. One is pink and one is black. Okay, So the next thing you want to do is inventory levels. This will ask you for the membership. So keywords. So see, it's fetching data, and it's giving you the keywords here. So it's better to sign online as well. That's free of cost. This is just like a free version. So just sign in to Helium 10 also on the website, and you will get these kind of details also. So these are the keywords. You can go through that for whatever product you have searched out. Okay, and then there is a bestseller ranking. Okay, so in here, so we went through this section. This is also Helium, and then this is also Helium. We went in keywords. I think it will also show up X-ray. So X-ray is basically just telling you what the BSR is, bestseller rankings. Reviews are here, 13,360. Okay, so yeah, you can go through this also. X-ray keywords, listing optimizer, profitability calculator, inventory levels. And then this is the most important part, where I look if you don't have much time and you want to look quickly if that is the right product in which you want to do the Me Too, or just list your product as well in this listing. So this is the main area that I just directly go to. So this is the ASIN number 6, which is really awesome. Total new price offers 5, competitive FBA offers 3, current BSR is 6. So if you can list this product, I bet it will sell right away. So because number 6 is really the one of the top rankings. So usually just I look at the BSR, which is the bestseller ranking, which is number 6 here, and then you can also go through other features from these and from here. But the main thing, you will get an idea from this section in which it will show you the BSR. So yeah, that's how you can start your product hunting, and from there you can go on to look into other aspects of products also. So definitely stay tuned. I will be posting the next videos, and I will be telling you more about how to sell on Amazon. So yep, I guess that's about it for now. Thank you very much. Take care, and have a good day, everyone. Bye bye.